So you can't get your child back if there's a fraudulent adoption, but you can get money.
And that's the point of a $130 million lawsuit filed on behalf of a birth father against a law firm, attorneys, and a social services agency. It's our second story in the top 5. The lawsuit accuses them of fraud, racketeering, and kidnapping. News specialist Carol McKeed has been sorting through this suit, talking with the legal experts. Why such strong language here?
Well, Dave, part of it is at least to bring attention to the rights of birth fathers. Wes Hutchins, the attorney who filed this suit, admits certain words are attention-grabbing. Another attorney who knows this case and is also a lawmaker says adoption is often heartbreaking, but calls this suit unnecessary.
It's really intended to hold accountable all those individuals that are a party to this fraudulent scheme to divest Jake Strickland of his paternity rights and other birth fathers.
Wes Hutchins filed a $130 million lawsuit in Utah Federal District Court Friday against the law firm of Curtin and McConkey for adoption racketeering. The suit includes 2 Utah lawyers, the birth mother, and the adoptive parents, and has claims against LDS Family Services for fraud and conspiracy to commit fraud. $30 million in damages for keeping the father and son apart. The rest, Hutchins says, against a big law firm with many assets.
$100 million is an amount specifically designed to serve as a deterrent to this kind of conduct in the future.
This complicated suit, 302 pages, includes photographs and text messages involving a married birth mother who gave a baby boy up for adoption without consent of another man, the birth father. The child is now 3 years old. Utah State Senator and attorney Todd Weiler says unmarried birth fathers, including this one, have rights if they fill out a form with the state registry.
After the fact, now they want us to change the law. The fact of the matter is his rights would have been protected if he just followed the advice of his own attorney.
Senator Weiler says he knows the family involved in this lawsuit and is not unsympathetic.
I'm disappointed that they're basically pointing the fingers at everyone, including the legislature, and not really acknowledging the fact that if they would have just followed the law, which they knew about, but now it seems to me like they're trying to blame everyone except the responsible party.
The attorneys in the suit with Curtin and McConkey declined to comment, as did LDS Family Services.
Well, the bottom line here is this lawsuit is not about the father getting his son back, right?
You're right. That case is on appeal. This case is about damages. Wes Hutchins is hoping to get $130 million for his client and also send a warning to attorneys and other agencies who deal with adoptions. He and others have worked for changes for years, believing there is fraud involved in coaching birth mothers how to exclude birth fathers.
How likely is a law change coming that benefits the birth father?
Well, there certainly have been attempts in the past. Last legislative session, Senator Luz Robles put forth a bill. It did not make it out of committee. Wes Hutchins may try again, but Senator Todd Weiler says the majority of lawmakers believe the law, the Utah Code, works for the majority of people, so this is obviously an uphill battle.
Okay, we'll see where it goes.
Right.
Carol, thank you.
Thank you, Dave.
Tonight.